Hi. Hi. This is Miltos Manetas. This is a conversation. It's between me and you. At any point, when you have something to say, please pause this video and record your question. Then post it on YouTube and send me the link so I can reply to you. Now, I want to give a theme on our conversation. The theme is our new life. It's a complex theme. It has to do with our machines. That's what I call existential computing. It has to do with our perception of reality. Today, there is new information about reality. According to many scientists, we live in a multiverse. There are many versions of ourselves, each inhabits a parallel world. Also, according to a few but very respected scientists, time doesn't flow. Everything that is possible has already happened somewhere, and what we perceive as change is some kind of illusion. Until yesterday, these ideas were esoteric, but today it's the observation of the world that tell us so. In that case, we should start thinking differently, start living our lives differently. Maybe we will need to modify our language. Maybe we need new words to say to ourselves that what is now happening is also not happening. That there is an instant person of me who is recording this message, and there is another who doesn't. And that I am both of them and many other too. Maybe your questions or my answers will be inspiring. Remember that in another universe, it's you who initiated this conversation.